people of various experiences and so on. I'm sure maybe the next committee, if it contract, the Senator of Nyeri may be appointed because I know he's a contractor, he's everything else. So, but on this occasion, on this occasion, I'm asking him, I'm requesting him that let him approve the members who have been suggested by the leadership. But to conclude.
Senator Maina, what's your point of order?
To conclude.
I know my learned friend standing there.
No, you said his learned friend. Order, members.
He's a lawyer, Mr. Speaker. But I want to say, I am not in this house, and you should ask him really to stick to the rules of this house. Because one time, or today or in the future, I've been doing big construction jobs. I'll continue with that. But I'm in this house because the people of Kenya, in a portion called Nyeri, found it fit for me to represent big ideas about the statehood of Kenya.
Thank you.
Without having made money from your contract jobs, it would have been very difficult for the people of Nyeri to know who you are and to vote for you. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Okay, conclude, Senator.
Mr. Speaker, sir. To conclude, I just want to mention to...
What's your point of order of minority?
Mr. Speaker, it may be lost to the House, that, and because I know Engineer Maina very well, that actually he went to the same school that Amos Wako went to, which is Alliance High School. So he's not doing very badly.
Okay, Senator Wako, conclude.